Hi friends, good evening. This is Sachin Nachtani and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get started directly with the option chain analysis for tomorrow, that's 24th of February. Let's start with Nifty first. Nifty today closed at 14,707, up by 32 points or 0.2%. Nifty futures today closed at 14,724, so that is a premium of 17 points, which is still fairly strong even with just 2 days left to go for weekly and monthly expiry. Nifty is calls heavy and the highest position is at 15,000 call with over 52 lakh shares in open interest, and that's absolutely no doubt. For my regular viewers, I will show it to you in the chart also. And addition of 3 lakh shares has taken place on the call side. The highest open interest addition has actually taken place at 14,700, which is actually at the money, and that is over 22 lakh shares in open interest. Look at the kind of open interest and addition on the call side and compare that with the same on the put side. So you will see highest open interest on the put side is at 14,500 strike with 32 lakh shares, but the highest open interest addition of over 10.6 lakh shares has taken place at 14,700, which is again at the money. So 14,700 strike has highest open interest addition on both the call side and the put side today. But look at the conviction or the open interest on the put side and on the call side, and you can see that it is definitely the call side which has the upper hand. This is the daily chart of Nifty, and one look at the chart and you will know what is this happening here. But if you look at the volumes and if you are a regular viewer, you will know that I have been very regularly talking about the volumes part of Nifty in the last few days, and on every down move Nifty's volumes increase much more than not just the average but also on the preceding rising day. So look over here, look over here, and look over here. I'll just clear it out for you. So you can see that the volumes are much more when Nifty tends to fall as compared to when Nifty tends to rise. And we've been having like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuous days of fall, and today was an inside candle. Today we were just about flattish, and that's because yesterday's fall was very sharp. In fact, if you look at my last video, I have the link given at the top of this video. I'll show you the snippet from the video also, where I clearly mentioned that once Nifty closes below 15,000, there will be a fast and free fall, and Nifty may even go towards 14,400, which is what where there is a gap, and that will also act as a support level. I'll just show you some snippet of that video. और आज फिर से नीचे आ गई है. हालांकि 15,000 का बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट है, ये कल भी मोस्टली बरकरार ही रहेगा, लेकिन आगे चल के अगर यही स्थिति रही कि जब जब मार्केट नीचे गिर रही है तब वॉल्यूम्स बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, तब मैं समझता हूं कि 15,000 का जो वॉल्यूम 15,000 का जो सपोर्ट रहा है वो भी टूट जाएगा और हो सकता है हम तकरीबन 14,400 की तरफ आगे बढ़ेंगे, और ये मूव जो होगा वो काफ़ी स्विफ्ट होगा, इसमें आपका बहुत टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होगा. So I hope you saw the video and realize that we have been falling with rising volumes almost for the last 5 trading sessions, and now 15,300 will be a very strong resistance, and in fact in the very near term even 15,000 becomes a very strong resistance, because it used to be very strong support earlier, and now Nifty will find it very difficult to cross that. And who knows, perhaps we may even test the pre-budget close of around 13,600 if the fall continues at this same pace. We'll have to wait and watch for that. But for now, 15,000 will be a very strong resistance in the foreseeable future. Based on this, what will be my suggestion? Well, obviously sell 15,000 calls. But the premium that you're getting right now is only 12 rupees for the next 2 days. And tomorrow, if there is a gap down, then the premium may even come down. So what you can actually do is you can sell the 14,800 call option. Tomorrow, of course, there may be a gap down and the premiums will come down. So you can definitely sell the 14,800 call option. And if you want to play it slightly safe, then perhaps 14,850 to 14,900. Below this, there won't be much of premium available. This may even come down to below 15 rupees tomorrow. So sell 14,800 to 14,900 call option. This is what I am going to do. On the put side, be very cautious because the support is at 14,500 and the premium is 26 rupees, but Nifty can fall over 200 points also in a day, and which will take you to 14,500 directly. So be very very cautious. If at all you still want to short on the put side, I would suggest to go for 14,400 to 14,450 puts, and that to try and take a hedge even for 2 days. And if you're still selling 14,500 put option, then I would suggest to go in the ratio of 2:1, that is sell 2 calls and only then sell 1 put option, because the market has become really calls heavy and is becoming weaker and weaker with every passing day. So preferably sell only call options, and if you want to sell put option, then 14,500 or below. That's my view for tomorrow's trading. Let's move to Bank Nifty now, which closed at 35,117, down by 140 points or 0.4%. Bank Nifty futures closed at 35,148, so that's a premium of 31 points. Again, very similar to Nifty, Bank Nifty continues to be calls heavy. Call writing is far more visible than puts writing. Highest open interest position as of now is at 36,000 calls, 10.4 lakh shares in open interest, whereas highest open interest addition is at 35,500 calls, which has the next highest open interest of over 8.4 lakh shares. On the put side, highest open interest is at 35,000 puts, 10.2 lakh shares, and highest open interest addition, what we can see over here, is taken around 34,500 to 34,600 puts. We'll give more significance to this level. So again, conviction on the put side is relatively less as compared to on the call side. When we have a look at the charts, again similar thing is visible. Last 5-6 trading sessions downward move and with very high volume. So you can see that the volumes are higher than the average, and also what we witnessed on up move days, at least for the past few days. So Bank Nifty also has been falling with higher volumes whenever it falls. So 38,000 will be very strong resistance for now. The support will be at 34,000, which is where there is a gap. So in the near term, maybe we can see Bank Nifty sliding towards 34,000. And if Nifty also corrects, then again, like I mentioned for Nifty, so Bank Nifty also may go to its pre-budget lows, which is at 30,000. Of course, I am not suggesting that it is going to happen or it will happen immediately, but we have to be prepared for this kind of a scenario. So what will be my trading strategy for tomorrow? Well, obviously I'm going to be only selling calls. I'll prefer selling the 35,500 call option because there will be only 2 days left for expiry, and this premium may come down tomorrow quite sharply, especially if there is a gap down. So even if you get 100 rupees over here, you should be very happy for the next 2 days. I don't think there should be any hurry to sell put options. 34,500 put option is at 95 rupees as of now. Tomorrow, if there is a gap down below 35,000, then all of these people are going to rush to cover their shorts. So there will be a big spike in prices of 35,000 put and all other puts over here. So there is no need to sell any of these put options. If you are adventurous, then you can try and buy these put options, but keep tight stop losses because the theta decay will be very fast in the next 2 days. So sell 35,500 call option, and if Bank Nifty continues to trade convincingly below the 35,000 mark, well, for at least an hour, then I will also be selling the 35,000 call option. So this will be my trading strategy for tomorrow. Do keep tuned in for the hero or zero trading strategy in tomorrow's video. Till then, have a good trading session. Thank you for watching this video. You can reach out to me on Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, and of course YouTube.